Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize shot lister workflows to organize shoot for editors, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by launching the shot lister application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the project you intend to work on. Ensure your projects are properly set up with all necessary details like scenes, takes, and notes. Access the settings menu within the application. Locate the Workflow Authorizations section. Select the team members who will need access to the workflows. Check the permissions for each team member to confirm they align with your editing needs. Once permissions are set, click on the Authorize button to grant access. Communicate with your team to ensure everyone is on the same page regarding the workflow structure. Each member should now receive a notification confirming their access. Encourage your editors to familiarize themselves with the workflow layout. Remind them to check for updates regularly, as changes might occur throughout the shoot. Monitor the progress of the workflows and make adjustments as necessary. Ensure that all authorized members are contributing to the organization of the project. Once the shoot wraps, review the compiled data for any final adjustments. Finally, export the organized shoots for your editors to use effectively in their edits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.